Hey guys, welcome to ElectroFun. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it as we are coming up with new videos every week, and also press the bell icon for any future notification updates. So let's get started. So guys, in this video we are gonna tell you about how to delete any kind of temporary files which is stored in your system or laptop, to delete from it completely and to slightly increase your speed, because keeping these files in large amount may cause your PC or system or laptop to slow down. So now let's see how to do it. And let me first warn you about this thing. Like, some of the files from these codes won't get deleted because they are system files and they can't get deleted, because if they get deleted, some function of your system may not work properly. So don't try to delete that files. It won't get deleted to normal deleting, but also don't try any other further deleting. So over here we are gonna split this video in two parts. The first part would be deleting from some commands, and the second part which is directly from the software which you have to install. So now let's go from the first part. So all you have to do is be on your desktop or wherever you are, and you have to first open the run command. The run command, to open that run command, either you can go in the start menu and type run, or else you can directly press the Windows key, which is just adjacent to the left Alt key plus R key, and it will give you the run dialog box. So over here you have to first type temp. So it will display all the temporary files in your system. All you have to do is select all and try to delete it. As you delete, everything was deleted. And now just come back, and now again you have to repeat the process. You have again go to the run dialog box and you have to type prefetch. So as we have just deleted the temporary files, there might be few files which has been deleted from over here. We will try to delete these files. By the time it is getting deleted, we will try our second command. Again going to the run, same step, go to start or run, or directly press the Windows key plus R, and this time we will try with resend. We will try to delete this. Okay, it got deleted. Prefetch is still working on it. We will again do run command. This time we would be deleting temporary file in another fashion, like %temp%. You have to select all and delete. Now as you can see over here, we have got an error type this can't file be deleted because it is open Microsoft OneDrive. There might be some files which have already been opened, or there might be some file which can't be deleted. There are two different kinds of files. So all you have to do is do this for all current items, and you just have to skip it. So it has deleted all sorts of thing. So now everything from your system has almost been deleted. Now I will tell you one thing which you can do for some cracking. We are not authorizing you to do this, but you can try this if you are in very much need of using the software which has just license got expired, the free license got expired. What you can do is, you have installed say software ABC, and the trial period has been gone. So now you have to again reinstall it, but this time it won't run because the trial period has been gone. So what you can do, we have tried this with one or two softwares. We haven't tried this with all the software. So far it has worked, but if it doesn't work for you, please let us know that comment section down below. So what you have to do, you have to go in the run command and you have to type %appdata %. So it's just a small example how you can do it. Sorry, there's a little typo over there. And when you will click, you will see all the application which has been there in your system so far. So like, we haven't have this application WPS for long, so we would just delete this application. And now if there is an application which is for trial licensing only. You can delete that folder from here and you can try downloading that application again, and you might run that application for 1 or 2 more days. So over here the command part is over. Now the second thing which we are going to show you in this video is how to delete all these things. Instead of doing all those things, you can just do this thing by just a single click. All you have to do is install an app called as CC Cleaner. The link for this app has been given in the description below. So all you have to do is go into the CC Cleaner app. It might take some time to boot up depending upon your system, and you can see it is a quite simple app. You can see over here there is two section over here. One is known as Windows and the other is known as application. In Windows you can see all the different application from Windows, and here you can select, you can check and uncheck the things which you want to clear, which you don't want to clear. And over here in application there are few applications we have in our system for which we can delete certain things. Like we have selected internet cache and cookies on Firefox and Chrome, but we haven't selected history and all those things. So it's all depend on your personal use. So what you can do over here, you can just analyze it. The application will analyze on its own what all things are running, what all temporary files are there. Since we have just deleted all the temporary files, it won't be shown in large quantities, but yeah, some things in your recycle bin which will also be shown over here. So beware before using this application, as it deletes all the things from your recycle bin also. As you can see over here, our recycle bin is kind of with some data which we have just deleted now. It has shown like 37,392 MB to be deleted. You can see the list over here, out of which maximum is of recycle bin. After you have analyzed it, you can click on Run Cleaner, and it will automatically delete all the data, all the unnecessary files and folders from your system, which will make your system a little faster and which will make a less load on your memory, because all these are redundant things for your system. So it's a good practice to delete all those things once in a month or once in 2 weeks depending upon your usage. We tend to do it once in every week because of our heavy usage. So it's all depend on your usage. Like we have just deleted and everything has been gone. So likewise, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt or if you have any query regarding it, you can comment down below. And if you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.